accidentally tapped into a world of spoken words, and finding your way back is easier than you think. If Talkback has unexpectedly activated on your Samsung phone, making it hard to navigate, don't worry, we'll guide you step by step to turn it off and restore your normal phone experience. First, to navigate, you'll need to use a few specific gestures instead of a single tap. You'll need to tap once to select an item, and then double tap to activate it to move between screens or scroll. Use 2 fingers. From your home screen, use a 2-finger swipe to go up and open your app drawer now. Find the Settings app. It usually looks like a gear icon. Once Settings is highlighted, double tap to open it inside Settings. Scroll down using 2 fingers until you find Accessibility. It might have a person-like icon. Tap once to highlight Accessibility, and then double tap to enter the Accessibility menu now. Look for Talkback. You might need to scroll down again. Select Talkback, again by tapping once to highlight, and then double tapping to open. On the Talkback screen, you'll see a toggle switch. This is what we need to turn off. Tap once on the toggle switch to select it. A confirmation dialog box will appear. In this dialog, tap once on the stop button. Finally, double tap the stop button to confirm and turn off Talkback. And just like that, Talkback is disabled. You should now be able to use your Samsung phone with normal touch interactions and audio output. If you found this helpful, give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more useful tech tips.